Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you guys how to create a badge in Adobe Illustrator. Select the polygon tool. Create a polygon. Rotate it. Make it a little bigger. Select the direct selection tool and create a small radius. Create stroke. Copy the shape, press Ctrl C, paste in front, press Ctrl F. Reduce its size. Fill it with color. Add guideline. Select the rounded rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select the bottom and top shapes and then go into Pathfinder and click on Unit. Press Ctrl, send object backwards. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select the text tool and type text. Adjust the text. Press the Alt key and drag with the mouse to copy the object. Type text. Select the star tool and draw a star. Adjust it. Press the Alt key and duplicate. Select the stars and duplicate them. Select the line tool and draw a line. Go to the stroke property and apply a line effect. See, the badge is designed? Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel to see more such Adobe Illustrator videos. Thanks for watching the video.